Hi! I wanted to share another art junk journal that I put in my Etsy store. So this one, maybe you recognize the cover. This was the paper that I did for Pink Oddbird Challenge, where we used just trash to make our junk journal. And this is a fruit mash bag, and I really like the texture, how it's looking. So I used some Inca Golds on it, and I just love it, and the texture is really awesome. So this one is made totally out of recycled materials. I'm gonna do a quick flip through so you can see what's inside, and let's start. So the cover is still soft cover. I did back it up with few store advertisements, so but it's still like a soft cover. It feels like leather. Hope I'm in frame. Yes. So for the inside, I used flyers and pamphlets that I have so many at home because I'm hoarding them all the time. And the pages that I really liked didn't do anything to them. So this one I really liked. And then the other pages I just did some embellishing to flow your inspiration into it, so you're not stuck with just white pages. And you know, because a lot of people have that kind of trouble too when working in art journals. So this is one of my stripy collage thingy that I put in the middle, and I think it looks really gorgeous. Let me show you up close. So it's matte and it's really awesome. Some magazines painted watercolor papers. And this is really thick one, thick page. Then this is my grandmother's writing from her journal. I put some butterflies and more butterflies, and this is calendar page that I put some color on, so you can write or you can do whatever you feel like it. This is like it was. I didn't do anything here. This is newspaper, like huge sheet of newspaper where this image was. I cut it out and glued it down, and I really love it. These are just paints on, you know, on canvas or something, and I love how it looks like. And here I have a birdie and a flip out. You can cover everything if you wanted to, or just parts of it. I don't know, you like the birdie and you want to cover just the text, or utilize these images and text to your advantage and do stuff with that. This is a little house. I love how it looks like. Just love the middle. And this is newspaper that it's gessoed and painted. So I wanted to include that. Kind of goes together with this page and made the page really sturdier as well. This is original German pamphlet. This is that other side of newspaper image, and I included some of the because it was too short, I had to put something right next to it, and I think it looks really cute. This is one of the Slovenian TV guides that I really liked. Some of my jelly prints that I included as well. I played a little bit and made something out of it to get you going. More of the TV guides. This is another page that is original, and I really love how this looks like. And another page that I covered a little bit of here, so you can write if you wanted to. This is Slovenian library and more text, and the back side. So this is the whole junk art journal. All the measurements and everything about it is down below. You can go check in my Etsy store. Thank you very much for watching. Happy crafting. Bye.